So, good morning, everyone. I'm Susie Cummings, and I'm the founder of Nurole. I've never been a stickler for convention. I left school at 17 and didn't go to university. I then had loads of dodgy jobs working in shops and cafes until the mid-80s when I joined a venture capital company, and soon realized that actually finding the right management teams for these companies was just as important, if not more so, than investing the money. And so started my 30-year career in headhunting. In 2014, I had one of those light bulb moments when I thought, surely, in this digital age, there must be a better way to find board-level talent than through those traditional cloak-and-dagger headhunters. Endless little black books, boring coffees, huge fees, waste of time interviews. So here I am, having just got my free bus pass, with probably the most exciting job I've ever had in my life, full of energy and enthusiasm for how we are disrupting the traditional headhunting market, or revolutionizing the headhunting market, which I believe is a completely flawed and antiquated model. So, as Einstein said, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. We've done something totally different, something that's never been done before, and the results speak for themselves. So what is Nurole? Nurole is a disruptive platform designed specifically to put people together much more efficiently than a traditional headhunter. On the one side, we have pre-vetted members who are invited to join, and on the other side, we have organizations who post roles. And when a role is posted that matches what one of those individuals has said they're interested in, they're sent a notification and they're invited either to apply or to recommend someone else. Nowhere else can people apply for such high-quality board-level roles. This, by default, widens the pool significantly and means that people really, genuinely want the jobs. We've made sure that in this process, it's not just who you know, but what you know that you'll be judged on. The best way to explain is to give an example from one of our customers. Malaga-based Viva Gym had been looking for a chief executive for 10 months. We posted the role on the platform, and within 24 hours, Juan del Rio Nieto had applied. He'd been running the biggest gym chain in Colombia. It has just been sold out to private equity, and he wanted to go home. And his hometown was Malaga, which is where Viva Gym was based. As he said, Nurole puts the science into serendipity. The key difference between us and headhunters is simple but important. Nurole empowers high-quality individuals to approach you rather than you relying on your search partner to approach them. And unlike LinkedIn, which is a platform built for networking, we are a platform built for search. It's invitation only, and it's completely private. So the executive search market is about 12 billion globally, but our market is much bigger because it's not just, we are covering the traditional headhunters who take out subscriptions on the platform, but we're also working with in-house talent teams and other organizations who can't afford the traditional headhunting fees. It's a huge market, and the key to serving it is our recommendation engine. Nurole is a recommendation engine. It's 6 degrees of separation reduced to 1. What is amazing is nearly 50% of our placements are via recommendations. Because of this, we don't need track record like traditional headhunters. We just need to have the perfect person for the role either registered already or to be known by one of our members. Here are some of the organizations who've already worked with us. We've worked with over 1,000 since we launched in 2014. And you can see it's not just private equity and venture capital companies, non-profits. We're probably split 50-50 between non-profits and commercial, but we also work for a lot of larger organizations, large listed businesses, and government. So we have 20,000 members in over 100 countries. And we've posted 1,000 roles since we launched. And as I said earlier, 50% of our placements come from recommendations. And on the financials, we're doubling revenues every year. We're doubling members every year. And we're doing it all while we're cash flow positive. We aim to have 80% of board roles globally on the platform over the next 10 years. So like Amazon once built a community for book lovers, we are building a community of inspiring decision makers. And the opportunities to serve them are limited only by our imagination. Thank you very much.